Hello fellow industry professionals, colleagues and friends. It's Scott Brown with Diagnostic Network wishing you and your family a wonderful holiday season, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Das weiß ich doch, ihr habt doch gewusst, dass da ein Loch drin ist, deswegen läuft der Karre jetzt so gut. Oh, frohe Weihnachten und guten Rutsch ins neue Jahr.
Счастливого Рождества и с Новым годом!
Also,
come on!
Schnell ins Auto wieder!
Hi, my name is Danny from the DiagnoseDan YouTube channel. Me and my family want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very happy and healthy 2019. DiagnoseDan, fix it again. See you next year, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, Corey from S&A Auto Repair. Just want to take a moment to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays, and a joyous New Year. Hope everybody enjoys the holidays and looking forward to 2019. And smell popcorn? Oh, popcorn. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon.
How you doing, everybody? This is the Train by Text Christmas video. That's Brian.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Rich Falco below me right there.
Happy holidays, everybody. Mike Robinson right next to me over there.
Hello. Merry Christmas. Tanner Brandt right below me.
Hi, everybody. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Now on to Tommy.
Hey, everybody. Merry Christmas. Happy Holidays. On to Keith.
Hey, everybody. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bryn's right up there.
Happy holidays.
All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, wishing your family happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year, and hope for a prosperous 2019.
Hello, Mike Robinson with Robinson Auto Diagnostics, wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you next year.
Hey, everyone. This is Keith Perkins from the L1 Automotive Diagnostics YouTube channel, wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, it's Glenn with the Ozzstar channel. I can't believe how fast the year's gone by here on YouTube. It's been fantastic. I want to thank all my subscribers and viewers for their support all throughout the year. I want to wish you folks a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.
Hey everybody, I'm Igor from Cars Exposed. I've got the bosses here today, my wife Kirsty and my daughter Lily. Would you like to wish a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year?
Merry Christmas from Kentucky Home Garage.
Hey there viewers, this is Mario from Super Mario Diagnostics. I would like to wish every single one of you a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.
Hey there viewers, welcome back to the Self-Made Auto channel. I'd like to take this time to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and look forward to a prosperous and healthy New Year. So from our shop to yours, Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday! I know you like Star Wars, so I got you a Star Wars hat. What do you mean Christmas again? Oh, I did it last year as well. Did Halloween last year? Christmas. Happy Christmas! I got it right. I didn't have to do this twice. Happy Christmas from Bodgit and Leggit Garage. Hope everyone has a great time, gets all the presents you want. Now I wanted to get a Raspberry Ripple for everyone to share, but unfortunately I can't. But what I have got you was an AC Ripple. Sorted! But don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. I've just ripped off a microphone. Sorted!
Whoa, y'all caught me off guard. Hey, this is Oz from Oz Mechanics, and I just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Feliz Navidad y Feliz Año Nuevo.
Directly from the mountains of Puerto Rico, this is Emmanuel from Moving Up Auto Diagnostics, wishing you all Happy Holidays. Directamente desde las montañas de Sidra, Puerto Rico, Emmanuel de Moving Up Auto Diagnostics, deseándole a ustedes muchas felicidades y que tengan un lindo y próspero año nuevo.
From my family to our YouTube family,
we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye. Bye.
What's up, everybody? It's Charles from HumbleMechanic.com. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I hope 2018 rocked it, and I think 2019 is going to be even better. So from my team and my family to you guys, Merry Christmas, and I hope you make it a good one.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. My wife Amanda and I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! See you in 2019!
Hey YouTube, it's Faye in my new work shirt, here to wish you Happy Holidays, Merry Solstice, whatever it is you celebrate. I hope you have a great frickin' day today.
Now then crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Very short video to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and of course a Happy New Year. Now I've been really busy. Oh.
Merry Christmas!
Where did you come from? Holy, right, it's my turn now. Oh man, I just cleaned my workshop. This is ridiculous.
Hey
oh, bloody hell. It's going to take me hours to clean this workshop again now. God, they get everywhere, don't they? Anyway. So, thanks for a fantastic 2018. Really looking forward to 2019.
Yeah, it's been an awesome year.
And having the gorgeous tall girl Lily here in the workshop. There's so many videos. It's been great fun.
It's been awesome being on board. Thank you for having me.
Love the outfit, by the way.
I love the neck, by the way.
Oh yes, look at that. Wonderful. So, thanks to all the viewers, all the subscribers, really appreciate it. The Andy Mechanic channel's come a very long way this year. Yes, and to all the other creators, the YouTube creators out there, fantastic 2018. Really enjoyed a lot of your videos, Erico, Ivan, Keith, and so on. Been great to have you all on board, and the collaboration is wonderful. Here's to 2019. Cheers, crew.